Hey praisers and savers, I'm at CVS. I've been on my honeymoon all weekend, so that's why you guys haven't seen me. I'm going to be getting $167 worth of products for less than $30. So I'm super excited about this. Make sure if you are not subscribed that you like, share, and you also subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can keep getting all of my amazing videos. And let's get started. So my husband bought me this J.R. Watkins hand soap from Lowe's food stores, and ever since then it is my favorite hand soap. I think he usually buys me the French lavender, but I'm going to be picking up the J.R. Watkins lemon scent. I'm very excited about this. Now this is an unadvertised deal, so these are $5.29. I know some people said they got these for $4.99, but mine are $5.29. We're getting back a $2 extra care buck, which makes this $3.29. And then also, you can submit this to fetch up to 5 times for $1.25, making these just $2.04 after the rebate. So that's a pretty good deal on this soap, considering we don't really get coupons on this. $2.04 for this soap. Now, you can only do this deal one time in the store, but like I said, if you wanted to buy more, you could use this and get it up to 5 times on IBOTTA, taking $1.25 off each time. Alright guys, so I realized that I had some amazing CRTs on the app, so I'm going to be getting all 5 of these razors, and it's going to be a Moneymaker, and I believe the Moneymaker is going to be about $2 in a Moneymaker after buying all 5 of these razors. So the Skintimates are on sale this week for $5.99, $5.99, and $5.99, so you're going to get all 3 of those using those $3 off coupons for each. The Chic Intuitions are on sale for $8.99 this week. So you're getting 2 of those, and you're using the $4 off coupons for those. Then you're going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks when you spend $15 on the select things, and you're only going to get it back one time. So that one time $5 extra care bucks. All right, let's look at my math real quick. Now this printable breakdown is available in the description box. You're getting 3 of the Skintimate razors at $5.99, 2 of the Chic Intuition razors at $8.99. So that's the stuff in purple there. Alright, so it's going to be $17.97 and $17.98. We're using $9 in coupons for the Skintimate razors, and we're using $8 in coupons for the Chic Intuitions. Alright, then there's going to be $16 in CRTs on the app. There's a $5, a $5, and a $6. So $16 in CRTs on the app, and there's $5 extra care bucks that you could be getting back as well. So it's going to be, if you add those 2 up together right there, it's going to be about $2 in a Moneymaker. So this is an amazing, amazing deal. I'm super excited about it. We are back with some more of that Monofilame D disinfectant spray. They are $9.99 still. And there is a $9 extra care buck coming back off of these, so making this just 99 cents after the extra care buck. You can do this deal one time, and I believe it's going on until the 24th, so hopefully this continues, and pretty good spray to use. So great deal on some cleaning products. Alright, great Moneymaker on these Glucerna mini treats. I buy these for my daughter all the time. These are good for her when she is starting to get a little have some little problems with her blood sugar. So these are $5.99. There is here you go, a $5 off coupon when you buy 2 of them. Also, there's a $3 off CRT on the app, and there is also $5 coming back whenever you buy 2. So let's look at our math for just a moment. So the Glucerna right here you're going to buy 2 at $5.99. That's going to make them $11.98. You're going to use that $5 off coupon that I just showed you. There's a $3 CRT coming off on the app. You're also going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, which makes this $1.02 Moneymaker. I'm super excited about these coupons. I have a ton of these coupons, so $1.02 Moneymaker. Y'all, this is a great deal on something that we don't really get coupons for. So the Hask shampoo has the biotin, argan oil, and keratin, all those great things, tea tree oil. They are on sale this week for 2 for $8. Now I'm going to get this one, the biotin boost, because I'm trying to grow my hair out. This is a thickening shampoo, but I actually found this one, and it's the bonus, which has more in it, so I'm grabbing that one for the same price. So these are 2 for $8. We're going to get back a $2 in extra care bucks when we buy this, so that makes them $6. Also on IBOTTA, for each bottle you buy, you get $1.50 back. So that's $3 that we're gonna get back, because we're gonna do the conditioner and the shampoo. So this is just gonna make these $3 or $1.50 each. Now, for some reason on my app, I had like a free $5, up to $5 like beauty tool or beauty thing. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's gonna come off, but it says on the app that it will. So maybe this would make these actually free. Just one of these for free, not both of them, but one of these are free if it does that. So let's see if it does. Alright guys, this is not a great deal or anything, but the Tide Simply Pods are $2.94. We get these $1 off coupons, or sometimes we get the 50 cents off coupons, and I always use these coupons up. So this is going to make these $1.94 because these are great to put into blessing bags or give to the food bank. I try to do the pods instead of the liquid so they don't leak. So pick yours up today. Make sure that you donate. I'm not going to go over any of the spend 30, get $10 back deals, because you guys might need diapers or something else. But what I'm just going to do this week is I'm going to be picking up 3 of these Tide with Downies. They are $11.94. So I'm picking up 3 of them to get you my $30 threshold, and I'm using 3 of these coupons to get there. So that's $9 off in coupons. So, you know, it's nothing special. I think it's going to be about $16 after I get my extra care bucks and use those 3 coupons. But I always just do different deals. But this week I just don't really have time, so I'm just going to grab 3 of these bottles, and you guys can mix and match whatever you prefer. Alright, getting some toothpaste this week. Now I usually don't pay anything for toothpaste, or maybe 50 cents or something, but you may have a different deal because I do not have the CRT on the app. Some of you have the $3 CRT. There are some CRTs for like $5 off 25 toothpaste, but I'm not going to get to that threshold today. So what's going to happen is I'm going to get 4 of these Colgate Max Fresh because I want them to know the larger ones than I usually get. I think I usually get the ones that are like 3 ounces or something like that. So these are $3.99, if you can see that there. What we're going to do is we're going to buy 4 of them because we're going to get $10 extra care bucks, because you can do this twice. So we're going to buy 4 instead of 2, and we're going to get $10 instead of 5. So we're buying 4, getting $10 in extra care bucks back, but we're going to be using these coupons. Now this coupon's not available anymore. This was on coupons.com. It was $1 back, and I'm using these 50-cent coupons. So you'll probably just have the 50-cent coupons available for you if you didn't print that off. So that's going to be $2.50 off in coupons, and we're also getting back $10 in extra care bucks. And so I think the math is going to be $3.46 for all 4 of those. So not bad, $3.46 for all 4 of those. Alright guys, we have an okay deal on the Irish Spring this week. So they're $3.99. You're going to buy 2 of them, which makes it $7.98. You're going to use a 2 of these $1 off coupons. I didn't even realize I had these. So you're using 2 of these coupons. That takes off $2 off the $7.98, so makes it $5.98. There's a store coupon for $1 off the Irish Spring or the soft soap, whichever one. And then you'll get back $2 in extra care bucks. You can actually do this deal 3 times on here, but I'm not going to. If you don't want to do the Irish Spring, you can do the soft soap. So it's going to make these $2.98 for both bottles. Not too bad. Hey guys, just left CVS. I'm sitting at Arby's right now getting some supper. So I actually had more products than I thought. My total was about $188. I only spent about $34. I'm actually going to submit some items to IBOTTA when I get home, fetch all those things just to check it out. Don't forget to submit for that Husk shampoo and conditioner, I think is how you say it, and then also for the J.R. Watkins soap. So those things there I can submit, and they'll bring my total down to $30 or so. Everything went well, no problems. My Glucerna coupon for $5 off too did beep, but there was a manufacturer coupon on the app, so that was really good. There was no problem with that. I got back everything I was supposed to. I love those little 2% back in extra care bucks that we're getting. I know we're supposed to wait to get those for every term, but getting them early doesn't hurt me at all. I did get some Beauty Club extra care bucks just for buying some of the things that I bought. Wasn't sure of. I got everything I was supposed to. I'm just checking to make sure there was anything Alright, that was it. Do you remember when I was telling you about that that Husk shampoo? It was one of these, the Husk shampoo. I actually got this for free because I got 1 free beauty cosmetic, and I think we got that in a text message this week. If you or sign up for the text message alerts, it sent me a thing saying I'll get one free beauty product, and I was able to get one of these for free. It took $4 off because I was like wondering, so that was I want to tell you. So took $4 off of this, getting this totally free. We talked about it in the video, and it actually did happen. And then just make sure there's anything else I want to share with you guys. Oh yes, some of the razor CRTs didn't come off. Only one of them did. There's an ambulance coming. The $6 did, but the other $5, another $5 didn't. So that was $10 in CRTs. That didn't come off, but that's okay because we have so many things that we got that did come off, and you know, it just doesn't always work as well as you want it to, and that's okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm at Walmart. Bye. All right, praisers and savers, just returned to the house. Got everything laid out for you guys. Like I said, it was $188 for everything. I spent about $30 after I've submitted my receipts to IBOTTA. I think my favorite deal of the day is definitely going to be the J.R. Watkins soap and then the Hask shampoo. The J.R. soap is a really awesome soap, and I don't get coupons for that. We never do, but like I said, there's a $2 back on extra care bucks and then a $1.25 back on IBOTTA. You can do that deal 5 times. And then the biotin, the Hask biotin shampoo, I'm excited to try that out. I'm trying to let my hair grow out a little bit. So everything went well. No problems whatsoever. I submitted everything to IBOTTA and it worked just fine. So, all right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow at Walmart. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.